Welcome to another session of math lessons. We're doing a long division today. Yay! We're transforming a fraction into a long division. This shows up on the exam so often. It's very important you get this one handled. What to do? First, we got to set it up. Over the years, I have a really good analogy for you. The number on top goes inside the house. That's the number of cookies you have. The number on the bottom is where your slippers are. They go outside the house. That's the number of people you have, right? Pretty easy to set up. Next question is, where do we put the numbers? Like, where is the first digit of the answer go? Does it go right on top of the 2? I'm often asked this question. There's a really, really easy way to find out. The answer is no, because number of people outside, 3, is bigger than the number of cookies you have inside you're looking at. That's why you have to go move one more digit over. Alignment is very important. Now here we have 3 is less than 20. So I have 20 cookies inside and 3 people outside. This is why the answer is yes. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Next, I want you to split your paper in half. You're going to do all the thinking and the scratch paper on the right-hand side, and the left-hand side is where you're going to do the work. Question you need to ask is, how many times does 3 go into 20 without going over? The without going over part is very important because you don't want not be a good host, right? How do we find out how many times 3 basically can cover 20? Well, 3 times 1 is 3, so on and so forth. 3 times 5 is 15. You can see I'm using multiplication table to figure that out. Remember, I said it without going over. Since 3 times 7 is 21, that's going over. That's why 3 times 6 is the answer I'm looking for. So the answer is 6. Now, where do I put the 6? And what do I do with 18? So many digits. Worry not. I have a really easy way for you to do. First one, we're going to put a 6 right on top of the digit 0. Now remember, it's not on top of the 2 because we already said it. That doesn't cover, right? 3 times 6, on the outside you do the multiplication, and then you put the answer back inside the house. Why back into the inside the house again? You're going to do subtraction. So 3 times 6 outside equal to 18. 18 goes right under the 20. Make sure alignment is precise. Division is hard because alignment, most kids don't take care of it. 20 minus 18 is 2. What do we do now, right? Worry not. You already done the hard part. Now we just do rinse and repeat. Now before we can do rinse and repeat, we need to figure out, since 2 can't cover 3, right? Because we need to find the second digit to the number for the second answer for the second digit for the second answer. Try again. Second digit for the answer. There we go. Since 3 is bigger than 2, we need to go basically borrow a friend. That 7, we're going to bring it down. So our 2 becomes 27. A magic friend. Okay. So from here, it's really downhill. Rinse and repeat. How many times does 3 goes into 27 without going over? You can match 27, but you can't go over, right? How do we do that? Remember from last step? Rinse and repeat it. We're going to use drum beat. Yeah, multiplication tables. So let's put this on. Next time, how many times does 3 go into 27 without going over? You can match it again, right? I repeat again. You can match it, but you can't go over. So if you're a parent teaching your child at this point, your child gets a little fidgety, worry not. They'll get so much better and so much quicker. If you're first time doing this, again, worry not. It's fairly simple. Multiplication table over and over. This is how you get good at it. 3 times 8, 27. 3 times 9 is 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9 is 27. So the answer is 9. So how do we do? Where do we put a 9? Right on the roof. 3 times 9, do the multiplication outside. Bring 27 inside the house. And then you're going to do, you guessed it, subtraction. Look at that. It's a perfect match. Just like you and the math, right? So answer is 69. Do the subtraction. Make sure everything is clean on the left-hand side. Everything on the right is your scratch paper. Yay! Good job!